it's me, Korean here, and today I'll be doing the new BOIIIII Aqua Trout V series trout deck unboxing. So I won't be going through the skills, but I'm just going to show you guys what's going to be in there. And as usual, they'll give you the first guide and a playmat, and also the deck itself. So let's go through the deck. Let's see what we get for the thing at the back. It's just a piece of paper. So I'll be going through the deck here. So the first card will be Algos. And next, they'll give you like one foil Algos and one foil Never Geyser Dragon, and then another 3 non-foil. So there will be like 4 Never Geyser Dragon, 4 of this guy. They'll be giving you like 2 non-foil Algos and like 1 foil, so equal you have like 3 Algos in the deck. 3 of this guy and 4 of this guy. The great one, we have a 3 9k vanilla, 4 Teal, 4 Perfect Art, sorry, and 3 of and here is the starter. It's just a classic V series starter. Great for the triggers. There will be 4 crits, 4 draws, 4 front triggers, and 4 heal. Oh wait, let's see what we're gonna get here. Oof, we just got like a cool looking Algos here, and there will be 3 Exo imaginary gift. So is this like a SP version of Algos? I need to check. So that's it for the video. I'm just gonna show you what's gonna be inside this trout deck. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.